Looking for the best drawing tablets under $300 in 2026? Whether you're a beginner artist, graphic designer, or digital illustrator, finding the perfect drawing tablet without overspending can be tough. In today's video, we'll show you the top budget-friendly drawing tablets packed with great features, precision, and value. Let's dive in. Starting at number 1. HUION KAMVAS Pro 16. The HUION KAMVAS Pro 16 drawing tablet is designed for artists seeking outstanding visuals and an optimized workflow. Featuring a 15.6-inch full laminated screen with anti-glare glass, it provides immersive viewing with great clarity and detail, while its smooth texture enhances the drawing experience. The tablet boasts an impressive 120% sRGB color gamut, 92% Adobe RGB, and a 1000:1 contrast ratio, ensuring vibrant and true-to-life colors in your creations. To streamline your creative process, it includes 6 customizable express keys and a touch bar for quick access to shortcuts, allowing users to easily zoom, adjust brush sizes, and save time. Additionally, the adjustable ST200 stand can be set between 20 and 60 degrees, promoting ergonomic comfort by reducing tension in the neck, shoulders, and back, while providing the optimal viewing angle for both drawing and typing. Compatible with Linux, Ubuntu, Mac OS 10.12 and above, and Windows 7 and above, this tablet features 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity and connects via USB for a versatile and user-friendly experience. Number 2. GAOMON PD156Pro. The GAOMON PD156Pro pen display is a high-performance drawing tablet that connects via HDMI and USB, designed for use with Windows 7 or later and Mac OS 10.12 or later. It features a full HD screen with a resolution of 1920 x 1080p, offering a 120% sRGB color gamut and 16.7 million colors, ensuring vibrant visuals and consistent images from any angle, thanks to its 178 degrees viewing angle. The device utilizes full laminated technology to eliminate air gaps between the screen cover and display layer, significantly reducing parallax and distortion. Additionally, it comes with a pre-applied anti-glare film that diffuses excess light and glare, providing a better paper-like drawing experience while protecting the screen from scratches. The battery-free stylus, AP50, boasts 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, a 266 pps report rate, and plus or minus 60 degrees tilt recognition for advanced pen performance. To enhance productivity, the tablet includes 2 customizable hotkeys for optimizing workflow. Number 3. GAOMON PD156Pro. The GAOMON PD156Pro is a versatile drawing tablet monitor that connects via HDMI and USB, offering 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity for a natural drawing experience. Compatible with Windows 7 or later and Mac OS 10.12 or later, it features 10 customizable shortcut keys, ensuring efficiency during creative tasks. The tablet supports a 60 degrees tilt and comes with a battery-free AP50 pen, which includes 8 replacement nibs stored in the pen holder. The high-quality IPS Full HD screen boasts a resolution of 1920 by 1080, 16:9, and a viewing angle of 178 degrees, with a report rate of 266 pps for smooth line rendering. An adjustable stand allows users to find their preferred angle, while a 3-in-1 cable minimizes clutter. To enhance the drawing experience, the tablet includes a pre-applied anti-glare screen film that simulates a paper-like surface. Note that the GAOMON PD156Pro is not a standalone product, it requires connection to a computer to function. Additionally, the OSD panel allows users to adjust color settings easily, supporting left-hand use as well. Number 4. HUION KAMVAS 13, Gen 3. The HUION KAMVAS 13, Gen 3 pen display is a high-quality drawing tablet designed for artists and creators, featuring advanced technologies such as a 3-in-1 cable connectivity and USB support. It boasts an impressive 16,384 levels of pressure sensitivity, ensuring precise and detailed strokes. Compatible with various operating systems including Android, USB 3.1 DP 1.2 or later, Linux, Ubuntu 20.04 LTS, Windows 10 or later, and macOS 10.12 or later. This device requires a connection to a computer or laptop to function. The tablet showcases an all-new anti-glare canvas glass 2.0, which utilizes nano-etching technology to minimize glare and enhance clarity while providing a natural drawing experience through its paper-textured surface and full lamination. Number 5. HUION KAMVAS Slate 11. The HUION all-in-one drawing tablet is a standalone device that requires no computer connection, making it perfect for artists on the go. With its sleek aluminum back, it provides a comfortable feel for note-taking and capturing ideas. The tablet features a 10.95-inch Full HD display with a resolution of 1920 by 1200, offering a high pixel density of 207 ppi and a 99% sRGB color gamut for precise artwork representation. It boasts impressive specifications, including an 8-core CPU, 8 GB of RAM, and 128 GB of storage, powered by an 8000 mAh battery. The smooth 90 Hz refresh rate ensures lag-free visuals, enhancing the experience whether you're creating art, watching films, or playing games. That's our list of the best drawing tablets under $300 in 2026. Which one would you choose? Let us know in the comments below. All product links are in the video description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews and buying guides. Thanks for watching.